One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. What I got here for you today is a 1974 Mercedes Unimog. It's a 416, and believe it or not, this thing's prime. It's got a sad story, which a lot of us do, but this is a super nice rig. It's only got 19 hours on it. What happens when you marry Cruella de Vil and you're going through a divorce? Your Unimog gets messed up. I didn't know exactly how I was gonna make this video, but she badunkered the top. It wasn't running or nothing. She just flipped it over with an excavator. And before that happened, it was this guy's pride and joy. Only has 16 hours on it. Nice, fresh set of XM47s. Look at that, little titties all over the tread. This thing ain't even had them gone on the road. 405/70 R20s. And like, that's not just one tire. They're all like this. Crazy. But let's get to the review. Also, only 19 hours. And it's got steel titties all over the tread of these, the Michelin's 405/70 R20s. 20s? I think so, yeah. An XM47. These tires are something else. But so's the Unimog, only 19 hours on the motor. And I'll tell you the sad story and all, but runs, drives, thing's a good rig. I've got the cab for it, but it's not in great shape. We're gonna think about doing like a conventional or cab, I don't know what it is, a flat nose, like BJ and the Bear semi on front of it. But really it needs a Mercedes on it. So that's what it is. You can call me up, Nathan, 406-546-8748. oneownercarguy.com. Subscribe, like, comment, all kinds of different videos on here. So what happened is, guy was going through a divorce, couldn't get back to his ranch. By the time he got there 2 years later, his woman had taken the skid steer, flipped it over on the top. I'll show you the cab. Nice, non-rusty, was a great cab, but she flipped that thing over, and not only did she flip it over, she banged it up. We kind of stretched it back out a little bit. I don't think there's much fixing to do to it. Hit the steering wheel, but some of these controls in here a guy needs. There's radiator, messed that up, messed up the fuel tank thing. We got that on there, but it's not really usable. Guys gonna have to do something to get yourself a cab, for sure. I'll show you up close. Like I say, little titties all over the tread. These things ain't been on the road. He just set up there on the top of a mountain. So upside down part of the time. We just blew it off with some water. Haven't detailed or nothing. Titties all over this tread. Miscellaneous little patina. It's clean, but little flanges got bent. This is where I think the fuel tank was. And need a cracked body mount there, the rubber. Thing shifts, the thing goes. I'll show you it running. Clean. That injector pump is clean. This thing has literally 19 hours on it. Hope you can see that. Let's see if I can get it in the light. So, hope you've seen that. A couple little dinks from when we take the cab off, right there, and that's how it's molded. But scratched it up a little bit. Other than that, man, it's clean. Radiator, that's where the cab mounts on here, and the radiator things go right there. You got PTO or whatever coming out both ends of this thing. You do just about anything with it. It's clean. It's got some water spots on it here because, like I say, we just did it. But look at this, man. Big old titties on every bit of it. This thing ain't been. It's clean. Obvious little things like I think this was the air tank, if I'm not mistaken. Other than that, I want to show you this, and this. And then there's a torsion bar as such missing that goes from here to over here, I believe, and that was bent. So, shocks. I think we're missing shocks here, something on the back. And then this here, trailing arm or what have you, was bent when she pushed it over. And that's about all I can say about it. They are a 405 7020, an XM, an X series of Michelin. And where did it go? There you go. An XM47 tubeless. So that's pretty much your truck. I'm gonna start it up here for you, show you that, and then we'll say goodbye. I'm gonna get you a little bit of footage when it's not sunny out. And that's the deal. Nathan, 406-546-8748. Subscribe, like, comment, all kinds of. Got a Cuck V over there. Got a mean step side 396, 1-ton running gear. All kinds of old good stuff here. I'll be back when the sun goes down a little bit. All right, here we are with this bad boy. Gonna start it up for you. He's just gonna run a wrench across it and pop the solenoid here. 19 hours, baby. Thing runs nice. Really ain't got enough fuel pressure because we got it set up running like this. Could be a lot better setup. But the fuel tank is knocked off, like I said. But what a great runner. We ain't gonna run it too long because they ain't got the radiator on it, but that's running. Hope you enjoyed. What a great running little rig. Right as I clicked that off, I realized I wanted to show you it being turned off. And so you get another start and another turn off. So here we go. Nice. Nice, and like I say, 19 hours on the motor. This guy was ready to do everything and get her done, but the problem I told you ensued. And pulling it out, pulling the cab off, got scraped up a bit right there, and just a couple of chips on it. It's not dented in or nothing. That's the way it's built. But this thing's raring to go, that's for sure. I just got the bright idea to go over this again and show you the different things. It's a couple lines, but I want to make sure that you can see anything you need to see. Everything hooks right onto that tank that's out there, because you know people are looking a long ways away. I want everybody to be able to see what they're getting. So, not much to say. Just kind of showing this bad boy up close. And man, that motor, I don't know, it's clean. Miscellaneous scratches on the injector lines there. That pump's just about fresh as it gets. And you got a tooth out on the fan. And the story was, he was just about ready to get this thing rolling. And that's when Cruel DeVille there, couple scratches on that, but it works fine. And Cruel DeVille flipped it over. So, okay, well that's another closer look, and we are losing that sun now, so you'll be able to see it in a whole different light. Speaking of cars for sale, I got this 1950 Ford Total Retro Mod. This thing's only got like 36 miles on it. All new inside, air conditioning, power steering, drives like a new car. And there she goes. So back to the old pictures. Okay, here's another try. Just because it's kind of odd to get that angle. Okay, so here we are. Different time of day. You can see it in a different lighting. This thing is built to last. And this one, gotta put some money on those tires. I looked them up. Well, XM47 in this size, up to $9,000 something for a set of them. But it's cool. It's a cool rig. Runs great. Sounds great. We haven't ran it, so so long because, well, ain't got the radiator hooked up. So that's about it. Other than some water leakage here from us just washing it off. That's about all I can tell you. And if you got any questions, certainly call me up. My name's Nathan. It's 406-546-8748. Call me anytime. And make sure and like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And this will be on the website, oneownercarguy.com. I mean, if you're looking for an off-road beast, by the way, this thing is a 396 with a 700 R4 4-speed automatic. It's a half-ton step side, but he updated it to have the 8 lug and the bigger transfer case and everything. Hope you can see up under there. It's a cool rig. It runs great. It's been rebuilt. It's nice. Also got a cuck over there and some other stuff. But thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. oneownercarguy.com. Call me up and buy this Unimog. It's a great rig. We'll talk to you.